Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we'll be solving another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here A, B and C are positive real numbers. We have A plus B plus C equal to 1. Find the minimum value of this expression. Let's say expression is E. So we are going to calculate E minimum. If A plus B plus C equal to 1, then I can also write 1 equal to A plus B plus C. Now we will take LCM over here. So we can write E will be equal to A plus 1 over A times B plus 1 over B times C plus 1 over C. Now here we can write A plus B plus C. So we will get E equal to A plus B plus C over A times B plus, in place of 1 we'll write A plus B plus C, then we have B in the denominator, times C plus, we'll write A plus B plus C, in place of 1, denominator is C. So E will become 2A plus B plus C times A plus 2B plus C times A plus B plus 2C, and in denominator we'll write A times B times C, it is ABC. Now we'll be using AM greater than or equal to GM inequality. Let me write here 2A plus B plus C. This can be written as A plus A plus B plus B. We have A, we have A, we have B, we have C. So 4 positive real numbers are here. If we will apply AM greater than or equal to GM inequality, then we can write this should be greater than or equal to 4 times 4th root of A times B times C. So I can write here 2A plus B plus C greater than or equal to 4 times 4th root of A times A is A square BC. Similarly, for A plus 2B plus C, we can write A plus 2B is B plus B. Then we have C. Again we have 4 positive real numbers. We'll apply AM greater than or equal to GM inequality. So greater than or equal to 4 times 4th root of A times B times B times C. So we'll write A plus 2B plus C greater than or equal to 4 times 4th root of AB square C. Let us say this is our first inequality, this is our second inequality, and let us write our third expression A plus B plus 2C can be written as A plus B plus C plus C. We have 4 real positive numbers. We'll apply AM greater than or equal to GM inequality. So 4 times 4th root of A times B times C times C. C times C is C square. So we will write our third inequality A plus B plus 2C greater than or equal to 4 times fourth root of ABC square. Let's say this is inequality number 3. Now we have to multiply all the 3 inequalities. So let me write here inequality 1 times 2 times 3 will be 2a plus b plus c times a plus 2b plus c times a plus b plus 2c greater than or equal to 4 times 4 times 4. Then we'll write fourth root of. Then we will club all the radicands. So I can write a square bc times ab square c times abc square. So this is our LHS of E. Only denominator ABC is missing. So let's simplify right hand side greater than or equal to 4 times 4 times 4. This is 64. Then we have fourth root. Now we will club a square a times a. So it will become a power 4. B times b square times b power 4. C times c square c power 4, which will be greater than or equal to 64 fourth root of ABC whole power 4. Now fourth root and power 4 will get over. We'll write 2a plus b plus c times a plus 2b plus c times a plus b plus 2c greater than or equal to 64 times a, b, c. Now we will divide both sides by ABC. So let us divide LHS by ABC and let us divide RHS by ABC. So we will cancel ABC from numerator denominator from right hand side of the inequality. Now left hand side is our E. So we will write E greater than or equal to 64. So the minimum value of E must be equal to 64. Using AMGM inequality, we can find solution like this. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.